Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the legal and the safe way to get Sora to invite codes from anywhere. So how to join the betas, score the giveaways, and get early access without breaking any rules. Let's just discuss that in today's video. So first of all, you need to join the official waitlist and then you need to enable the notifications for it. Now, many projects send the invites in waves, so signing up is the baseline step. The second thing that you can do is you can simply just follow the team of Sora AI on the social media and you can subscribe to their official announcement page. The developers often drop the small batches of the invites during the launches, AMAs, and live streams. You can also join the community hubs like the official Discord, Reddit, or Telegram. The active members sometimes get the priority invites, and moderators run the giveaways for engagement and for other users. You can also participate in the beta programs or the public tests. You can report some of the bugs, you can submit your feedback, or make a demo content. The team is going to reward the helpful contributors with the access and extra codes. You can also watch the creators and their partners. The influencers and the content creators sometimes get the invite bundles to distribute, so you can enter the legitimate giveaway that they run, and that's would be very easy route for you to get the giveaways and the codes. So this is how, with the help of these few methods, you will be able to basically get the Sora to invite codes. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.